good?
That's it.
Alright, so we are making beets that are already cooked. They're really hot. So I already boiled this one for like an hour in salty water. First, I want to clean my beets. Beautiful, right? Oof, smell amazing. Oof. I'm ready. Let's start with the fish. I have 2 eggs here. I'm gonna break my eggs. Chili brown. Oh, we have these 3 little guys here. Fish, flour, egg, bread. Fish, flour, egg, bread. Good. Plain tilapia. Put some salt. Pass it through my flour first. So, fish in the egg. Bread. Olive oil. Pampas herbs.
Yummy. Ooh, Alaska says love beets.
I have some walnuts here, so you can break it.